Okay, so next I will be explain and show to you about the step or the part 3, which is use the Heki methods in a virtual machine environment. So for this part, I will use two virtual machines. That is in left is Kali Linux and the right is Windows SP32 virtual machine. So I will start to give the instruction. Okay, firstly, I will put the command prompt in the Windows SP and I type the ipconfig to get the IP configuration to the Kali Linux. And then before I put the command of if config, I will be do the convert Kali to root. Okay, so I will be use the command sudo su here, and you can see the command is want to you to give the password for Kali, and then after that the Kali will be convert to the root. Okay, after if it will be converted, you can use the if config to get the IP configuration Kali Linux. Okay, after that to make sure the configuration or the network is available, okay, you can type the ping for the Windows SP32 IP config, which is 192.168.18.134 based on your victim virtual machine that you want to hack it. Okay, and then you can see uh, in the Kali Linux, it will be going under error, and for the Windows SP, you will be put the IP config or the ping for the IP Kali Linux, which is 192.168.18.129 to make sure the two machines are available to connect and did not end error. Okay, so next, in the Kali terminal emulator, okay, you will be put the service PostgreSQL start to start the hacking methods Kali to the Windows SP32. Okay, so next, you will to make sure you want to hack the other victim machine, you can use the MSF console to enter in the Windows SP32 victim machine. Okay, the MSF console, they're starting the Metasploit framework console. Okay, so you can see it will be to change from the root to the MSF since that you have entered the system at the Windows SP32. Okay, this is you can search NetAPI to check what the command that can use it to the Windows SP32 with the machine. That is from here you can see the matching modules have three matching. For the first, exploit Windows SMB, which the number of the serial is different at the each matching modules. Okay, next, you can um, you can for me I will type the use exploit Windows SMB that the serial number that I want to make the hacking. So after that I enter and you can go to the system that you want to hacking it. Okay, so after you was make and choose one of the matching modules, you can show options to see what is the L host, local host, what is the L port, local port, and the exit function that are in the with the machine that you can hack into the Windows SP32. Okay, so the next I will use the set R host. The R host that is I want to hack the system. So I will use the ipconfig 192.168.1.134 that is Windows SP32 IP configuration. Okay, so here the R host is will be enter it and accept it. Okay, next I will be use the set payload Windows that which is I want to hacking the Windows SP32. After that you can mesh save step to set the local host, the local port that you want to uh, make sure you can enter it into the Windows SP32 virtual machine. Okay, for the next step, you after you can have done to set the local host and our host, you can exploit the system to make sure you the hacking step will be going done or not. So I will use the exploit and the Kalinas exploit to see uh the Kali will be open in the with the SP32 or not. So it will be changed to the meterpreter command. And then you can see you can uh, after you have made and can see the exploit or the hacking methods, you can see the information about the system or Windows or virtual that you want to hacking, which is you can see the type of computer, type of architecture, and so on. And then in the SP you open the system properties, um, and then after that if the Kalinas will be going down, Kalinas will be open the system Windows SP32 in the one time. So the system of hacking will be going in two virtual machine in one time. You can see the command prompt, we can see the homepage and also the start button. So that's all for me.